How we doing, folks? Mr. Carter here, ready to do Homelink 411. Go ahead and put your name on this if you haven't yet already. And let's begin. All right, so 411 is about finding area, and questions 1 and 2 are kind of a review of what we already know about area, which is length or length times width. So when we're looking to find the area for this rectangle here, we're going to go length, which is 27 times 18, okay, and we're going to put an equal sign here, and we'll fill that in a minute. So basically what you need to do now is just multiply those two. So now that we know how to do two-digit times two-digit numbers, we can go ahead and do what we learned. So I'm going to make a 2x2 rectangle to use partitioned rectangles. So I'm going to go 27, break that apart into 20 and 7, 18, break that apart into 10 and 8, and just go ahead and multiply each box. 20 times 10, well 2 times 1 is 2, and you add the 2 zeros for 200. So we'll go ahead and put 200 here on the side. 7 times 10 is 70. Make sure I'm lining up the 7 in the tens place and the 0 in the ones place. 2 times 8 is 16, but don't forget that 0 in the 20, 460. Again, I'm making sure I'm lining up my numbers really well. The ones in the hundreds place, 6, and then the 0 here. And last but not least, 7 times 8 is 56. So again, I'm lining up my numbers, and I'm going to add them up. 0, 0, 0, and 6 is 6. 7 plus 6 is 13, plus 5 is 18. Carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 1 is 4. So our answer here is 486. So our answer would be 486 square units. So a tool bench here is 35 inches long. So if I draw a picture of what that tool bench would look like, it's 35 inches long and 19 inches wide. How many square inches of the basement floor does it cover? Well, our equation again is length times width, so that would be 35 times 19 equals, so I'm going to have you go ahead and figure that out. You can use partitioned rectangles, partial products, which is what this is here, to find your answer. 3 gets a little trickier because you have an odd-shaped area to work on. But what you can do is take this odd-shaped piece and break it into 2 different sections. So I'm going to draw a line here. Now I have a 20-inch by 20-inch square here. So I know that it's going to be 20 times 20 plus this rectangle here. Well, if you look at this rectangle here, you'll notice that it's a 30-inch by 100-inch rectangle. So we're going to go 30 times 100. And when you add the 20 by 20-inch square to the 30 by 100-inch rectangle, you'll get the area for the whole piece. So 20 times 20, well, these are extended facts, so I can do them real quick in my head. 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 zeros here is for 400. So this parentheses here is 400 plus 300 times 100. Well, 3 times 1 is 3, and you have 1, 2, 3 zeros. Okay. So when you add 400 plus 3,000, that equals a total of 3,400. And that's our answer, 3,400 square inches. All right, below here is our practice, and we're practicing factors. So again, they're asking you to list all the factors for the numbers below. 48 has quite a few. You start with 1 and 48, and we know that 48 can be divided by 2. So there's 2, and 48 divided by 2 is 24. 48 can also be divided by 3. So 3 times 16 is 48. 48 can also be divided by 4, which would be 12. 48 cannot be divided by 5, so we're going to go to the next number, which is 6. 6 times 8 is 48. And then that would leave the number 7, and there's nothing left after that because you start repeating. So these are all your factors for 48. 62, again, you can always start with 1 in itself, which would be 62. It's an even number, so I know that it's divisible by 2. 2 and 31. And I know that is it, so we're going to stop right there. 63, 1 in itself, which is 63. It's not an even number, so it's not divisible by 2, but it is divisible by 3. And 3 and 21 are factors. And last but not least, 7 and 9. 55, 1 in itself. And since it's a number that ends with 5, we know that it is divisible by 5, and 5 and 11. And that is it for right now. If you have any questions, please come and see me. I hope this was helpful.